Rental inventory is super low and rents are super high. What do you do? Hi, this is Lucy Quinones, broker and CEO at Century 21 Birchwood Realty. And I've got a great invitation for you. We are going to be hosting free home buyer seminars and workshops for everyone that is interested in being educated, guided, directed, and helped in the process of buying a home. This is the year of home ownership. The market is healthy and there's great opportunities. You can buy a home with just 3% down. There's money being given for down payment assistance. There's also programs for people that are self-employed. And we even have a new construction project where you can become the owner of a beautiful home for less than you are probably renting right now. So starting February 21st all the way through March 28th, every Wednesday from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., we will be hosting this free, no obligation home buyer seminar. It is by reservation only, so please click the link and reserve your spot, as seating is limited. This is a year for home ownership. We hope you join us and make the dream of becoming a homeowner your reality now.